Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto bearing. Oh, what's this? Did he expect me to do that? I think I get usually a nice position from this. This is like Benoni with extra, like, oh, there should be 5 D-takes. No, maybe just, yeah, I think this is a nice position. I'm wondering, just D takes an E5. I'm trying to smash him up with E5.
Check.
King's misplaced. Bishop E3 and casting queenside coming up. Or have I messed things up? My H3 head stop. Was knight back for a moment. And then bishop E3. If knight G4, bishop G1. Knight's okay there for a moment. Bishop E3 and casting queenside. That is the knight. Okay, knight A5. Or B3 just to make sure there's bishops locked in. I can play bishop B2 after. I know it's double pawns. I'll swap off that bishop. There's rook B1. There's a bit of dynamic play. Rook B1. I'm not convinced actually. I've got enough dynamic play, but anyway.
Check.
And my king is in the center, which it shouldn't be. Naughty. Knight G4, king F3. Let's do this. The knight B5 if king C7. Knight B5. Not H3 here. A4 for A5. All this, I don't know, I've got to stop knight G4 I think. Somehow, there's a few things to do here. G5 would be nice for knight D5. Do I get a chance? If he takes, G takes, check. Get a chance with knight D5. There's no knight E4, he just blocked his rook. Things might be looking up a bit. Knight D5 and bishop B2.
Check.
Bishop E3, hold on to F4 just for fun. I've got 2 things on F4. Get my king over there. You can always set the exchange if he wants F4. A4, A5, this structure is asking to be dismantled with exact pressure on the backward pawn. Got to play A4, A5 just to try and fracture. I'm not sure. I need to play this, I think. If he's not got killer threats over here, I want to play for A5. Hang on, his rook is hanging in theory. Knight C3 hits the rook. Knight F6. We check. No, what about just A5 as mentioned? Knight F4, king F3. I was going to get hairy. That might be better off than knight f4. Maybe just, I don't know. Maybe just, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, can we take here? Is that simple? Just take here. That's my plan to break through this B file. He's going to win f4, but I get a rook to the 7th. I think I might be okay, because getting rook to the 7th there looks fairly dangerous. Okay, calculate something. A takes. Oh, you can take here. No, okay. This position, check, or even rook takes b8.
Check.
Okay, I always got that. Check. I'm not getting mate in the way. That's the mating. I mean, it's near to a mating net. You've got to be careful with these mating nets. Well, it's not that near, but okay. It's better to think he's not weaving something around my king. Mate takes. I'm going to get this rook b7. And then this rook's still hanging for checks. You know, we can take on d8. Actually, this is a mating thing, 97. If it was check and 97, that would be checkmate as well. I suspect this is looking good. This is looking good as far as I can tell. This nice central knight. Let's look at some forcing moves. I don't want to be too optimistic based on the visuals. Some concrete evidence for forcing moves. Check. Say here. Then what? Well, yeah, this pin. Can I just... I wonder if I can just take this and leave that rook b7 possibility for a moment. Or should I have been desperate to play rook b7?
Check.
I'm savouring it here.
Check.
Yes, I've just got that. I'll take on f6. So, well, there's knight e3. Is there anything better? I'm not so convinced about that ending. I can't really unpin that knight. In fact, you can play check and then take on e3. Well, there's king f2. Oh, I'm going to have to go for this ending. I think king f2. If rook h3.
Check.
The point is, I'm defending the rook. That's not going to be check. He's only got 10 seconds, that's another point. There's a knight down, but for 3 pawns.
Check.
My rook's on the 7th. My king's more aggressive. That should...
Check.
Okay. Is it winning? Let's have a look. There's only a small advantage, apparently. We'll get to that position. Could I make more out of this opening? I was wondering about the check. Why is it plus 2? Takes, it takes. Oh. Knight g5. And if he takes here, I can't take there, right? Oh, I can, apparently. How weird. Ah, it's good wild. But better just here. Oh, that's a better version of the game, apparently. And I wonder, like, if what is going on here? All right, it's like, oh, there's check.
Check.
Oh, okay. So the incisive move is the check then. Well, I wouldn't have. It's hard to sort of think about this stuff. All right. Apparently, this is a really bad position. There's two aggressive knights on the 5th, and a move like that doesn't hold that well. Apparently. Those crumbling.
Check.
Yeah, what does he do about this? This is crumbling. Oh dear, I let him off the hook then.
Check.
Although this is a smaller light, it's letting him off the hook. Yeah, I thought I let him off the hook. Yeah, this can't be that good.
Check.
White. Although the way he's playing it, I've got small something, it seems. Oh, hang on. He had 94 check winning winning material. Yeah. That's just winning. Whoa. Didn't see that one. Nor did he.
Check.
Oh well.
Check.
I suspect I had something stronger than the game.
Check. Check.
Not that
Check.
clear. Yeah, the thing is, if I had played, then he's got rookie. He's got rookie 3 if I place him like this. He's got rookie 8 there. But if I play this, he's got rookie 3, right?
Check.
So my only idea is king f2. All right, and we get to this ending where
Check.
minuscule advantage, I think. If there is advantage. Okay, I can't say that. Oh well. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.